Chineke na nke igwe biko dịka isi wee napụta ụmụ gị n'ọbụ n'Ijipt spiritual wee wezuga ụmụ gị bụ ndị Biafra mgbe ekwensu bụ zuu nke mmadụ dị ndụ kere anyị wee na-aja gị mma na-asị gị n'ime ọnọdụ anyị na anyị ga-ekele ha nsọ gị wee nye gị nsọpụrụ n'ụtụ na ịja mma mgbe niile n'ihi na anyị enweghị chi ọzọ ewezuga gị anyị nwe anyị anaghị efe arụsị ọbịa mere iji wee na-agọzi nzọmụkwụ anyị niile ọbịa mere IPOB ji wee gbaa mgbọrọgwụ n'ụwa niile anyị anaghị atụ egwu mmadụ dị ndụ anyị wee na-eto gị eze ebube dị ngọzi si gị biko gbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka ọ bụ naanị gị bụ onye anyị refe nwa anyị akpụ isi ala nye ka i wee napụta ndị gị n'ọbụ nke ekwensu anyị wee na-enye gị ofe na nsọpụrụ na ịja mma na-asị lekwa ka ndị iro anyị niile ka kasị wee baa ha ọnụ ha wee daa hapụghị ikunye ọzọ obodo ekwensu bụ zu ala nwekwa n'iyi eze ebube dị ngọzi anya ọnwa anyị bụ ụmụ gị wee na-akpọkọ ha nsọ gị na-asị na enweghị chi ọzọ ewezuga gị anyị wee na-aja gị mma wee na-eto gị na-asị onye kere ihe niile kere eke mana onwe onye kere na n'otuto niile na nsọpụrụ niile na ịja mma niile site n'ebighị mara onye bi ka a na-arịọ gị ise.
Welcome, my amazing viewers. Thank you so much for joining me on my program once again. I appreciate you wherever you are connected from. If you are joining me from Africa, from Asia, from Europe, from America or Australia, I thank you very much for your contributions on my channel. Please kindly subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Click the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Try to share the video with all the people that you feel that they need to hear what is happening in that contraption called Nigeria. Share the video. People are trying to change our story. The government is trying to change the narrative. We will not allow them. We will continue to hear our voice. We cannot allow them to take charge of the whole situation. We cannot allow them to tell our stories. We will continue to tell our stories and we won't allow them to change the narrative. We say it the way it is, the truth and nothing but the truth. We are not hating on anybody. We are not talking down on anybody. We are not calling on war on anybody. But all we are asking for is live and let's live. That is what we're asking for. The right for us to defend ourselves. It's the right for everybody. It's the right of every human being on the planet Earth to live and survive and prosper on their space. But some people have said that we cannot be able to succeed in our own space. That is why we are here, talking about the situation, calling them out by their name. That is the difference. We don't pretend about it. We don't try to be politically correct about it. We say it exactly the way it is. They have brought war upon the people of the southeastern part of Nigeria as we speak. And that is what we are talking about. The genocide in the southeastern part of Nigeria is not a joke. It is happening before your own very eyes. They have been killing the Igbos for a very long time, up to the time of the Civil War when we lost more than 5 million. And since then, the Civil War has not ended. It is still going on till date. People are still dying for no just cause, for committing no crime, only that because they are Biafrans. Only because they are the indigenous people of Biafra. That is why they kill them. How can somebody be silent in such kind of a situation? But unfortunately, the media in Nigeria have been silent about it. They do not broadcast it. They do not talk about it. The international media keep mute about it. Only recently, just as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu predicted, their pressure is so much on them, and some of them have started to broadcast about the situation of the Biafrans. Begin to talk about it. I saw CNN talked about it, and BBC also talked about it. Time has come that we cannot be silent anymore. The government of Nigeria are under a very big pressure and they are trying to change the narrative to make people believe that those of us from the southern part of Nigeria are the hostile one while they are the innocent. But it is all clear to everybody and glaring that the people who are hostile are the northern Janjaweed. The Fulani northern Janjaweed and the elites. They are the ones that formed all the terrorist groups in the north that have taken over the north as we speak. They have united themselves together now to unleash mayhem in the northern part of Nigeria as we speak. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu came to tell them that as they leave the north to come and focus on the southeastern part of Nigeria, that the terrorists will take over the north. It has happened again. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu vindicated. This is a servant of God speaking. It is so funny that people do not recognize him. Though a prophet is not recognized in his own land. That is why, more especially people in the southeastern part of Nigeria are still doubting the formidability of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who has been proven from all angles to be innocent, qualified, to be legitimate, to be sincere in all angles, and yet you still see some people who come out to talk trash against him for selfish reason, for their personal gain. For pride, they come and talk to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is a man, everything he has spoken about from 2012 up to date, they have all come to pass. Anything he says, watch it within a few days, you begin to see it before your own very eyes. Today, Nigeria is worse than Somalia, just as he said. But we have to protect our zone. That is the most important thing. Biafran has to be protected. We have to protect ourselves because it is all clear that the government of the Janjaweed is working together with these very terrorists to make sure they take over the southern part of Nigeria. It is all clear. You can see Sheikh Gumi going to the forest to beat the terrorists. You see, they renamed them from terrorists to bandits so that we can be able to tolerate them. That is exactly what they're doing. They even come to the media to promote them. Sheikh Gumi is going, and recently Sheikh Gumi came to media to say that wherever he's going there, he is going to meet them with government officials, with BSS, with police, with army. He goes to meet them to talk with them. This is the testimony that Gumi gave recently on the national television. Watch it.
What did I find from please? He's already headed in Abuja.
Nobody invited me for questioning or any arrest. I can categorically say that. But since when I venture into the forest, I go there with full security, with the police, with the knowledge of the SS, with the government officials, with the traditional rulers, and with the Fulani leaders. I never went alone. So all along, I've been doing it with the government, and there is no any difference between us and the authority. So people should have their peace.
Let's cover the car. No problem. You know. Trying to wind down. Let me take you.
Somebody who is coming to speak in such manner, and you from the southern part of Nigeria that have formed a group to secure you, they are coming after you to kill you, and you don't see anything wrong with it. They send their military over to the southern part of Nigeria where there is absolute peace, killing people who are protecting themselves, telling them to disarm. You don't see anything wrong about it, and you're not talking about it. Meanwhile, they are dancing with their terrorists, conniving with them. Recently, we saw a video that the whole terrorist group in the northern part of Nigeria have united together. They came out to make a video, and the government is not moved about that. The government is not moved about it. They don't say anything about it. They are not even threatened about it. But they focus their attention on people who are asking for their legitimate right of self-determination, who are asking for the government to conduct referendum that will even permit those people who want the caliphate in the north to vote for their Sharia law and practice it the way they want to practice it. These are the people the government is coming after, and you are silent. You're not talking about it. Well, it's very unfair. But the most dangerous thing is that you that is not speaking, it is coming to your doorstep, and you are going to pay with your life if care is not taken. You can't be free. Some of you who are from the southeastern part of that, you say you're not a member of IPOB, it doesn't concern you. Wait, you don't know whom you are. Since you don't know whom you are, the terrorists and the Janjaweed will tell you whom you are. They will remind you that you are a member of IPOB. As long as you're from the old southeastern region, you are a member of IPOB. Believe it or not, take it or leave it. The Janjaweed knows you. The terrorists know you. Keep silent. Stop. Continue pretending. Continue following the nickname they gave you to divide you. Continue to pursue those nicknames. Continue talking down on your brothers. You will pay dearly for it. You will pay dearly. Recently, we saw an information that the Avengers have surfaced again. Well, it's a good news. It's a good news that Avengers has surfaced. But I hope this time around they are not going to go back with negotiation. because there is no need to negotiate anything in Nigeria. Let it not be they are coming out for monetary gain or in negotiation. I appreciate the Avengers on their coming out to add their own opinion and add their own fight in the creek. Let them come and do the needful. Let the Avengers do the needful. But I hope they will not go back with negotiation, because that has been the problem we have with our brothers in the creek. This is not the time to look for monetary gain. This is not the time to blab and look for monetary gain. It is the time to fight the real fight. Welcome the Niger Delta Avengers into this very fold. But they don't have to go for any negotiation this time. Fight a just cause. Fight to liberate your people. Fight to liberate your region. We are in this together. Enough of all the bribery and all whatever, all the settlements. In their communique that I read online, they said they are coming against all the evil politicians in their area and the government facilities. That is a good move. The evil politicians who are bringing up all those negotiations, once they come to negotiate with you, take them along with you and take their life. Don't let them leave. Those whom the government will send to you, catch them alive and behead them. Those people whom the government will send to you, catch them and teach them a good lesson. Catch them and teach them. Anybody that government sends to you, catch that person and teach him a great lesson. Those are the people who are enslaving us. Those are the people that are making sure that we cannot be able to see the light of the day. Enough of all this nonsense. Enough is enough. We have suffered enough in that country called Nigeria. It is time to break it up. This is the time to break it up so that every region will go and manage their resources. Whatever they want to do with it, it's up to them. Let no people continue to use us that call themselves politicians from all corners. Evil men masquerading themselves in form of politicians, enslaving their people, taking the life of innocent people on a daily basis. We say no to that, and it cannot ever happen anymore. It can never happen anymore. Let the Avengers continue their mission. Let them do exactly what they have just said. No going back. No negotiation of any sort. No negotiation of any sort. It doesn't matter what they bring. It doesn't matter the challenge they bring. It doesn't matter what they come with. They will kill us. We will kill them. At the end, Biafra will come. At the end, Oduduwa will come. At the end, everybody will be free. Let's go ahead with this once and for all, and let us be free. For somebody to ask for self-determination is not a crime. Somebody to protect him or herself is not a crime. Self-defense is our right. Don't forget that. Keep that in your head at all times, that self-defense is your right. You have to defend yourself at all times. Thank you so much for watching wherever you are watching from. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. Share the video. Share, very important. And click the notification bell. Go to the comment section and make your comments also. Thank you so much for watching. May Chukwu Okike Abiama guide and protect everybody that is watching the video. May Chukwu Okike Abiama continue to protect Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, protect ESN, protect Oduduwa, protect Sunday Igboho. May Chukwu Okike Abiama continue to lead us to the promised land as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and remember this. Bye-bye. See you again on the next video.